Okay, so this is a test of a Morphy Richards water dispenser, which I had delivered today. This is the front of it. This is the side. And you can see that it's quite a lot bigger than an ordinary kettle, although our kettle is a bit small. You have a dial for selecting how much water you want it to heat and dispense, an LCD screen which tells you how much water you've selected, and a temperature button and the auto dispense button. Under that there is two dispensing tubes, so you can fill 2 cups at the same time. Below that is the water container, which is removable by hand. And below that, a drip tray which folds away neatly when not in use. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is fill the water container. So I'll remove it. It already has some water in it because I've already tested it. Take it to the sink. It's at the moment about half full, which is 3/4 of a litre, although it does feel slightly heavier than that. So it's actually able to take up to 3 litres of water in the container. I filled it to just below 1.5. The problem with this is that the handle is on the side, and the container is quite wide, so it's a bit of a strain on your hand to lift 1.5 litres, which is like lifting 1.5 kilos. So you really need 2 hands to be able to safely lift it, I'd say. On top of that, on top of the container goes the filter. The filter normally fits in this hole here, and there's a gauge showing how much life is left of the filter. But for this demonstration I'm not going to bother with the filter. So put the water container back together, slide it into the machine. To switch the machine on, I think you can push any button. Now here you can see it says 300 milliliters. That's what the dispenser is set at the moment, but you can turn that down to 150. A standard cup or cup of coffee would be between 200 and 250 milliliters. So I'm going to turn it to 200, so that's a small cup of tea. I have a jug. And I'm going to fill it, hopefully 200 ml. So to start the process you need to select the temperature, which is here. 85 tea, 100 I would say for if you want boiling water, and 95 for coffee. But I set it to 100 so it boils. You, I think you push the auto button so that you have the auto on the screen, and then you push the start button. So it's not too noisy at the moment. There's a signal on the screen showing that it's heating. What I'm not sure is whether it dispenses water even if there is no cup there, because that could be quite dangerous and would make a mess in your kitchen. I don't know if you can see, but it's exactly 200 milliliters.